Hello students, now we are going to cover our new topic, that is volume of a right circular cone. Students, what is the volume of right circular cone? The formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. If you see the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h, this part is the volume of right circular cylinder. That means 1/3 of volume of right circular cylinder. Clear? So 1/3 part of the volume of right circular cylinder. Now it is very easy to learn, or it is very easy to remind, or to keep in memory, that what is the volume of right circular cone? It is the 1/3 of the volume of right circular cylinder. अगर आप एक प्रैक्टिकल करो, सपोज एक राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर लो और एक राइट सर्कुलर कोन लो जिसका कि रेडियस r हो, इसका भी रेडियस r हो और हाइट h हो. अगर ऐसा आप दो चीज़ लेते हो, एक राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर और एक राइट सर्कुलर कोन, और उसके बाद अभी हमने क्या बोला, 1/3 पार्ट ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर, इसका मतलब इसके अंदर जो भी क्वांटिटी है, सपोज आई एम सेइंग दैट इट इज़ फिल्ड विथ लिक्विड, इस लिक्विड को जब 3 बार आप यहाँ इसमें भरोगे तब जाके इसका लेवल पूरा फुल होगा. क्लियर? तो वी कैन से दैट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ right circular cylinder is the 3 times the volume of right circular cone, or the volume of right circular cone is equal to 1/3 of the volume of right circular cylinder. Isn't it? इतना क्लियर है? Now we will going to solve the questions on the basis of this formula. The second question, first question you will do by yourself. It is second question. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 centimeter and slant height to 25 centimeter. We have given radius is equal to r is equal to 7 centimeter and slant height is equal to L is equal to 25 centimeter. See students, we have to find the capacity, that means volume, and volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So we have to find the h. So therefore height is equal to h is equal to under root L square minus r square. Clear? Now h is equal to root over L square, that is 25 square minus 7 square. Then h is equal to root over 625 minus 49. So h is equal to root over 576 is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we are having h and r. So volume of the vessel is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Clear? So 1 upon 3 into pi, that is 22.7, into r square, that is 7 into 7, into h, that is 24. Clear? Now 7 cancel, 3 1 3, 3 8 24. Now after multiplying 22, 7 and 8, you will get 1232 centimeter cube. Clear? But we are asking that find the capacity in liters. So we have the conversion that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Therefore we can write upon 1000 liter, isn't it? Then 1.232 liters is the answer. So in this way you can solve the second part of this question, isn't it? So students, pause the video to be noted down.